Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to build a car in Roblox Studio. Now, I have an old tutorial about this, but the video is now outdated because Roblox removed surface inputs. So right now I'm going to show you an updated guide on how to make a car. So first you want to be on Roblox Studio and open up a game file. Now, after, click on part and click on cylinder or spare. Spare is better for cars because I heard it's more round, so like it's better for cars, but I don't know if that's true. But I'll just use a cylinder for simple reasons. So once you have a sphere, add another part. This time it's going to be a block, and then scale it like this and make it a little away so we could add our hinge constraint. Click on model. Make sure constraint details and draw on top is on, and click on create and hinge. Without these on, you won't see the hinge constraint, so that's why you need it on. Okay, then click on the hinge and make sure the actuator type is motor. So in a hinge constraint, there's none, motor, and servo. And also, I forgot one thing, change the motor max torque to 10,000 so it moves the wheel. So what motor does is constantly rotates a part, and servo rotates a part until it meets a certain rotation. So basically what hinge constraints do is rotate parts in your game. Yeah, okay. So now after you got that, you want to click on, drag your mouse so it clicks on both, and then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D. After that, do the same and make it so that there are 4 wheels. After you have 4 wheels, you want to add the body of the car by clicking on part again and click on block. And now our body is going to be a little smaller than this. It's going to be like this. And now add a vehicle seat by clicking on workspace and the plus symbol. And I'm going to put my vehicle seat right here. Going to rotate it so I face this way. Whoops. And after that, add another part. This is going to be our servo. What a servo is, it basically rotates this part so that it rotates both of these wheels, which is how real cars work in the real life. So yeah, you'd want one last hinge constraint. This is going to be our stair, and you'd want to make sure the yellow arrow is pointing down, and what these are attachments, so you want both yellow arrows to be pointing the same axis, or else it's going to be wacky. So after that, you want to move this so that they're aligned with each other, like they need to be in the same position and their arrows need to be pointing the same way. And don't put the hinge constraint here, put it close to this part because this is the part we're rotating. So after that, change it to servo, angular speed to 6, not too fast, not too slow, servo max torque to 10,000, and change the name to stair. This is going to be our stair hinge. So now click on the 4 hinges that are between the wheels by holding shift and just clicking them. So hold shift and click them, don't let your finger go off shift. And after that, you'd want to just put them somewhere else for now. I'm just going to put them in the camera and group the car. And now put your hinge constraints inside the model. This just makes your code more organized and it's easier to find the hinge constraints. So these are the right wheels, so name these right wheels. So right wheel. I'm going to name this right wheel 2 because you need it to be different. And then this left wheel 2. And this left wheel. Okay, after, you'd also want to find the steer and bring it up to the car too. So now click on vehicle seat and click on script. This is going to be our car script. So inside the script, you want to delete the default code. Click on script parent changed, connect function, property. So whenever a property of the vehicle seat changes, the code inside this will fire. So if property, wait, actually don't do that. You want to add the variables first. Local left wheel equals script parent left wheel. Then do the same. Not the same, but like that. Actually, now you want to get the right wheel. So you want to get all the hinge constraints by getting them. Local steer. Okay, now that we got that, you want to do left wheel angular velocity equals 80, the speed times script parent throttle. Copy it, paste it. Instead of now do the left wheel too. Copy this. Whoops, wrong place. Right wheel too. And then change these numbers to negative, or else they'll all be going in different ways. And local speed is going to be 80 miles an hour. So in the Roblox world, 80 miles is 120 kilometers. So basically times 1.5 equals 120. So yeah, it's going to be 80 miles per hour. And the steer target angle will be 15 times script parent steer. So now that you got this, we could just click on X, make it more clean, and press play here. Okay, so now it works, but I forgot, because whenever I press right, it goes left, so just change it to a negative if it's a positive, and a positive if it's a negative, if that happens. So, okay, wait, maybe it was fine before. Okay, it works perfectly now. And yeah, that's how you build a car in Roblox Studio now. And you see it could go to 120. It usually sticks at 119. I think that's the max, but yeah. So yeah, that's basically how you make a car. You see it goes to 120. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and peace out.